Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your URL in Base44. If you're updating a brand, cleaning up a link, or just making your app easier to share, changing the URL is quick once you know where to look. A clean URL can make your application look more professional, easier for users to remember, and simpler to share with your audience. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each screen is doing, and share a few tips so your new link is clear, consistent, and easy to remember. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left-hand navigation and choose All Apps. This view lists everything you have access to, which makes it the best place to begin when you're not sure where a project lives. If you're working with a team or managing multiple applications, this section helps you quickly organize and locate the correct project. If you manage a lot of apps, don't worry. There's a fast way to pinpoint the one you want. Use the Search Apps field to filter the list. Type a keyword from the app's name or any part you remember. As the results narrow, find the app you want to update and click it to open the editor. Before making changes, always confirm that you selected the correct app, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names. This takes you directly into the working area for that specific app, where you can access publishing options and settings tied to the live version. Next, head to the top right and click Publish. You're not pushing changes live yet. You're opening the publishing panel that controls where and how your app is available. This section is where you manage the settings connected to how users access your application. In that panel, choose Web as your target. This is the destination that controls the public link anyone will use to reach your app in a browser. Selecting Web ensures you're editing the correct place for your URL. Choosing the wrong publishing target could prevent you from finding the URL settings you need. Now click Edit URL. This is where you'll change the link's path, often called the slug. The slug is the part of the URL that appears after your main domain and identifies your specific application. Keep your new URL short, readable, and consistent with your naming style. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces and special characters, and rely on hyphens to separate words. Clear slugs help with sharing, search visibility, and user trust. A simple URL is easier for people to type, remember, and recognize when they see it. If your organization follows a specific format, match that convention here so your links remain predictable across projects. Consistent naming is especially helpful when managing multiple apps or working with a larger team. Type in the new URL, double-checking spelling and any hyphens. Small mistakes in a URL can make your app harder to access, so take a few seconds to review it before saving. Think about longevity. Pick wording you won't have to change again soon. Shorter is almost always better because it keeps your links cleaner and avoids confusion later. When you're confident it looks right, click Change to apply it. The update may take a moment to propagate, and once it's set, your app will be reachable at the new address. Depending on your setup, it may take a short time before the new URL is fully available everywhere. Remember that anyone with the old link may need the updated one, so keep your team and stakeholders informed. If your app is already shared publicly, update your documentation, social media links, or any saved references that still use the previous URL. That's it! Your Base44 app now has a clean, updated URL. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you make your change. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorly for more Base44 tutorials, app building guides, and productivity tips.